Hi, I just wanted to thank you for a great semester. I really appreciate all the work that you put into this class. I understand it's a hard class and we cover a lot of things and there's very diverse topics that we cover. And so I do thank you for investing the time and the energy in learning this material. Um, I think we had some great discussions. As you can see, I don't really jump into the online discussions, but I do read every single post. I think that there's no better way for a teacher to destroy a conversation than to jump into it. So I want to have you have the learning environment remain a social environment, and that's why I haven't jumped in. Um, and it gives you an opportunity to learn and teach each other. I really appreciate all your hard work. I know that we cover a lot of material. We have a lot of different things that you probably don't know that you're going to expect, like watching videos on the formation of ISIS and watching videos about water. That's usually a surprise for people if they find that interesting. But I think we're able to take this together and build some great cases that make a strong learning environment. So if you have any questions or you just want to talk about public administration or sociology or anything, just reach out to me. I'm always glad to meet students face to face that I had in an online class. Or if you have any just other questions about school or anything else in general, just feel free to contact me on my BH email. So again, thank you so much. And make sure you log on and read each other's posts that you put from last week. So you make sure to cap the class off, I want you to read what everybody posted and at least respond to 3 of your classmates. You could do this all in one day if you wish, but I do, want to have the class transition out this way. So thank you so much for your time. Take care.